Hello, this is Amy with the February 1st reveal of the Malarkey Die Set. This die set comes with 5 dies. You will need to snip them out. There is the Malarkey word die, a cluster of shamrocks, and a hat that comes with a sash and a buckle. Here the word Malarkey has been die cut multiple times out of watercolor cardstock, along with the shamrocks and the hat. I'm going to assemble the hat by adding a strip of black cardstock and then a buckle from gold metallic cardstock. I have 2 projects for you today, one where I've repeatedly die cut the word Malarkey, and on the other where I've used the hat and the shamrocks as an accent. Thank you for joining me for the February 1st release of the Malarkey Die Set. I'd love to know in the comments below what you think. Check out these videos for more inspiration, and I will see you soon.